Surinaamse Pom, the country's well-known favorite dish. So mushy, so flavorful, so meaty, so delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Feffie. So first you're going to need 12 small pieces of chicken. You want to season it with some garlic, 4 garlic cloves, some black pepper, some nutmeg, and some salt. You want to season it and set it aside. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. Remember, it depends on how small and big you want your pom pieces. I have about 12 pieces and I use 3 chicken legs and cut it in 4 pieces. Then you're gonna fry it, deep fry it, and put that aside. Now we're gonna make the sauce for your pom. I used about 200 grams of butter, nice and creamy, 6 garlic cloves and an onion. Cut it up and leave that fry. After 2-3 minutes, you're gonna add your tomatoes. Stir it up. And then you're gonna add some salt to liking, a bit of black pepper, tomato paste, because we're gonna make a sauce, and some Maggi powder, a little bit of brown sugar. And then you're gonna stir it up and add some water for the sauce. Then you're gonna add your fried chicken and let that come to a boil. What you're gonna do is also add some ketchup and your celery. Close it and let it boil. As for the pom, so this is really optional. It's up to you if you would like, but I used a bit of mixed pickles and I blended it, chopped it up to small pieces. I used 1 kilogram of pom tire. You might stay over with some pom. You can use that or freeze it in or use it in a smaller bowl. We add some garlic, some of the mixed pickles and the celery. Add some Maggi powder, a bit of salt, make sure it's to your liking, and some black pepper, some ketchup, a bit of brown sugar, and some orange juice, and make sure it has pulp in it. Stir it up, mix it up. Sorry, it's a bit frozen here still. Mom used a hand, so that goes faster. And a little bit of piccalilli. Mix it up and set it aside. Now we're gonna butter your pan. Butter it all the way to the top. So what we're gonna do is use some of the chicken sauce. And we're gonna add about 2-3 scoops of that into the pom mixture. Mix it good so that the pom and the sauce is well combined. And now we're gonna layer it. So you wanna do 2 layers. First layer, make sure it's nice and thick, not too high. Then you're gonna place your chicken in a way that when you cut your pom into a piece, that each piece of pom has chicken in it. And then you're gonna add some sauce because you want to make it nice and juicy. And when that's done, you're gonna add your last layer of pom, your last layer of pom tire. And oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. You know the drill. And there you go. This is quite satisfying. And when that's all layered up, you're gonna of course add some more sauce at the top. Pom is my favorite. I mean, there's pom and pastay, but I love pastay the most. But pom is so good because you can eat it with rice and with bread. A nice titi bread from Cake House. People on St. Martin know what I mean. or even a baguette. There you go. You add your sauce, and when your sauce is there, you add a few pieces of butter to the top so it can give it a nice salty crust. And before you start layering, you want to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. And then you're gonna bake it for about 1 hour, no foil. And you know, some people make pom with salt beef, but I really like it with just the fried chicken. Anyways, this was my recipe. Feel free to ask any questions, leave a comment behind, and share it with your friends and family. Hope you guys like this video, and until my next video, thanks for watching. Bye.